everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this 8-pointed ninja star out of 8 pieces of paper. But the cool thing about it is that it can change shape and become a frisbee. So all you need to make this is 8 sheets of paper. Now to make something like this you'll need 2 colors. So I have 2 different colors. So let's get started. So first things first, I have 4 of each color, 4 of this dark purple and 4 of this lighter whitish purple. So I'm just going to start with the dark purple because it's easier to see on camera. So first what you have to do is fold it in half. And then you want to unfold it. And then you want to fold it like you're folding an airplane. Like this. And do that on both sides. So now you should have something like this. So now you want to fold it in half with the flaps on the inside. So now you'll have something that looks like, I don't know what it looks like. But now you want to take this corner and fold it up to this corner, like this. So now you'll have something that looks like this. So now you want to unfold it so it's like this, and then you want to fold it, you want to flip it over like this. So now you'll see that one of these folds goes up and the other one is folding down. So you want to take the one that's folding down and you want to make it fold upwards like this. And then this should automatically go so it's facing down, and then you just fold it in half like this, then you'll end up with this. So this is one segment of this. So now we need to make 7 more of these, and that's what I'm going to do now. So I have all 8 pieces of the star. So right now we're just going to take 2 of them and hold them like this. So the 2 ends are on the back and the one pointy end is on the front. So what you're going to do, you're going to take the pointy end, you're going to stick it into the end with 2 ends, and then you'll have these 2 flaps here. So you want to fold the flaps into the other one, interlocking them into place. So then, if you did it right, it should be able to slide with relative ease. So then, you just want to take the other color, and then you just want to do the same thing until you're on the last one. So now, around this part is where it gets tricky. So now you should only have 1 of each color left. So then I have white here, so I'm going to take my purple and then put it there. And then I don't want it like this. I'm going to take this back and I'm going to put it in between the 2 ends. So then I'll fold this in, and then I should have something like this. And I'll take the last one and do the same thing. So the one end is between like this. So then this part is probably the trickiest, but what I do to make it easier is just push it up slightly, so then it'll go in easily. I'll just push it up so it's easier to fold the flaps in. So now, sometimes they'll pop out like that, and that's because it's like curved, but that's gonna happen sometimes, and well, no matter what you do, it's gonna happen. So once you try to transform it, it'll get stuck like this sometimes. So then when you're pushing it like this, you can see that it's stuck here. So you just check over here, and then you slide it, and then you try again, and then it'll move. So you'll need to exercise it back and forth a few times for it to work like completely smoothly. So you just keep doing this until it works. You'll also notice that it's like twisting and bending a little. That's normal, and that's gonna happen no matter what you do. Like this. There's like a little divot right here. So that's gonna happen. You can't do anything to stop that. So that's the end of this video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.